Welcome to another how-to video. How to teleport and whiteout survival. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic is all about how you can teleport and whiteout survival. So let's go to the whiteout survival. Now all you have to do is click the city bonus on the upper left of your screen below your profile. Then while you are in the city bonus tab, click growth, then click random teleporter. It's up to you if you want to use a rechargeable random teleporter or the random teleporter itself. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.